PA Beats.
Hey, D Hoover in this bitch, man. J Hoover with me, man. Dirty Reproductions, man. On Hood, man. Free T. Free Ramon, bitch. Y'all know we gon' eat soon as y'all niggas get out on crib. Hey, 3600 shit. HGC shit. Niggas know how we coming, nigga. Been on this shit, nigga, since youngest, bitch. Yeah. Song compositions. The money, the mission, exchange I be getting. Go get chicken and flip it. That water not hot enough, how you remix it? For the pack was the ticket. Cause Julio got it for low with the biscuits. So that money be shifting. Off the profit we make and put that up for Christmas. Now my niggas, they wild. They hop out of cars, they gunning you down. My little tits, they so loud. They sparking out the Mac, killing the crowd. Now they bodies all shaking. It's blood on the pavement, left scene, they got vacant. Now put that on replacement. My niggas, they dangerous, kill niggas, they clean them. Now what's next for the day? You always a op if you stand in my way. And my family, they pray. They tell me stay safe in them streets where I stay. With your life, do not play. I will lurk behind cars to come far where you stay. On your block with the K. Them bullets that made his whole body decay. But who the fuck need a beam? A suppressor so much them better than me. Take him out like a flea. My niggas, they starving, they itching to eat. So it's war if it's beef. We lay bodies down, they down on the street. On your block with the heat. On your cone, we gon' dump it, gon' blow you to pieces. After that, what's the move? My niggas from Hoover, you know how we grew. 36, we the truth. But don't make me call Jay, cause you know he was smooth. After that, they call Benny. They soupin' and then we gon' slide and hit me. Fuck some liquor, no Remy. Ain't gon' blow on your block till the magazine's empty, bitch.
3600 shit, man. You know how we coming, man. J Hoover in this bitch. Nigga Ditter bangs in the back. Bitch, we on this shit. Listen. Hey, hey, hey. Chasing this chicken is my only mission. If a nigga talk it down and his body coming missing. Spread the scene, don't leave not a witness. And the nigga don't punk, you know he not with it. You ain't tryna shoot, but I'm a chicken finger itching. Knowing I chef, but I'm whipping in the kitchen. Bitch don't trip, you just my side miss. The hoes don't stop me, money got my attention. Bitch up in the mud, we grew up in the trenches. Call my phone, I still do remixes. Little they know my phone hitting digits. I'm always on the road like a hoop for the pits. Girl with the socks, so you know what I miss. I don't hang on the hook, like spinning go fish. John Stomach come down to dishes, pass to the post. Call me no business.
Far with the chef, you can call me in minutes. I'll take his teeth out like you went to the dinner. I'm a young nigga, but my flow real vicious. I'll leave his ass steak like some dirty ass dish.
Jumping like a mouth, 36 be the block. Yeah, a couple niggas left with the shit. Don't stop, little bitch. Still a thought. Why you cuffin' like a cock? She go my brother talk. She go crazy for the block.
Lil Steph got the 40 here. Do you real sleazy? But I made me cut your vibe here. Kill you real easy. Yo, bitch threw it back in her pussy real creamy. Got her rubbing on my dick like a nigga was a genie.
Booming on these ends make me feel like the man. OG locked up, free Sean at the end. Get rich, John trying to swear the guys is a plan. If the nigga run down, I'll blow like a fan.
Bullet so high, rip the flesh off your neck. Hoover gang Christian, we be the set. When we get the bus and they run hit the deck. We aim at your head, ain't no need for a vet.
Only fuck with my team, you the plot with a scheme. Shout to your body, but guts such a cream. Grew up in the hood, so my pop cervical with beam. Pass me tech with a stand on the beam.
We don't fuck with nobody if we do it getting bread. Little niggas wanna bang just to get some street cred. It be off on the gas till you snatched by the feds. Now your man's locked up with a bag on your head.
Yeah, with the crisp, we get shit crackin'. Robbing this stacks, break down to its fraction. Real in the field, don't get caught lacking. Dunking your bitch like Shaq in the match. When you walk in the room, all you smell is the fumes. Smoking this dope, got us high little balloons. Fucking your bitch when she playing the tunes. Not keeping the hoe, just pass her a move. Kicking the dope, we need all the new jewels. Call her and lift, we out of this food. Break down the rollie, we need some food. Buy me a pat so the track could go boom.